What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys are not a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I'm out here in Arlington, Texas, showing off a killer home theater. We got a 724 Dolby Atmos system with a JVC native 4K RS2000 and a Panamorph DCR lens for CINESCOPE. Killer system. We're doing a demo here. I also did a full walkthrough on this room with the customer, so make sure to check that video out. We're gonna go ahead and get into the demo right after the intro. Let's go. All right, we are about to play your demo, guys. What do we got here? Rogue One, Star Wars. We haven't played this in a long time. Some of our demos get a little bit repetitive, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. We'll go ahead and select a killer scene for you. This is a really cool projection and audio system. He's running a full 724. He's got PB16 Ultras, 2 of them. His neighbors love him. And he's rocking that RS2000 up top with a Panamorph DCR lens broadcasting onto a CINESCOPE screen. I mean, this is a really cool setup. Very, very, very nice. So we're going to go to a nice action scene for you, and you guys let me know what you think in the comments below.
Blue Squadron, get to the surface before they close that gate. Copy you, Admiral. Blue Squadron, on me.
The lens of that is just almost, it's almost OLED.
So we were sitting here watching this demo, and I told the customer to pause it because he said something that several of my customers with this setup have said in the past, and I just wanted him to say it again on the microphone, if you do not mind.
Yeah, with this lens and this projector, it almost looks as good as an OLED on a projector, which is crazy.
It's funny because I said that, like, the first time I ever saw it, I'm like, this is literally like a TV. And then customers have specifically said, like an OLED TV, several times to me. Yeah. So I think it's really says something. it's a nice setup. All right, go ahead, let's crank it. Alright guys, that is a wrap on our demo of this killer system here in Arlington, Texas. We would love the opportunity to do something like this for you guys. You know, we service the entire Texas market: Dallas, Houston, Austin, San Antonio. We've now expanded into California. We got LA and Anaheim, and down in Florida we're doing Miami and Fort Lauderdale, and New York, New Jersey on the East Coast, as well as Maryland, DC, and Virginia, and many more to come. Oh, I forgot, we got Colorado as well, the High Country, and Denver. If you guys would like anything, we have the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from, and I'm building up that preferred installer network throughout the entire nation if you guys do not want to DIY it. So that's all I got for you. If you like the video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Just cruising through the neighborhood. On to the next one.